So let's jump right into this video without wasting any second. So let's go here to effects controls. Then we're gonna click on here, use draw bezel. Then I'm gonna move with the arrows. I'm gonna go one frame ahead, and I'm gonna add a mask. It'll be more precise now. And I'm gonna add pad here, a frame right over here. And then here we're gonna see this. So we're just gonna click on invert. And here we're gonna have to remove this with click on the mask and increase the feather. And then increase the mass expansion. So perfect. And now we're just gonna have to move the mask like this. Okay, and now let's add a keyframe right over here. Just move the playhead and then drag the keyframe around here. So we have like this. And now this is what we have. Starts from here. Now I just need to unhide this.